Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check Windows 11 version and edition on laptop or PC. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To check Windows 11 version and edition, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System and scroll down. You will find the last option About. Click on About. Here you will find an option Windows Specification. Under Windows Specification you will find Edition. My edition is Windows 11 Pro. The version is 22H2. And also here you will find the installation date, OS build and experience. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.